Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you an easy summer cat drawing idea. It's perfect for decorating your notebook, practicing your drawing skills, or just sparking inspiration for your next piece of art. I love drawing these small cats, and you can find a big collection of them in my shorts. Drawing is an incredible form of expression that brings your imagination to life. With practice and patience, anyone can learn this skill. I recommend starting with small everyday creations, simple ideas you can work on whenever you are. Just grab a notebook and a couple of pens and you're set to draw in your free time. While you can explore different materials, it's best to keep it simple at first. Everything I draw starts with basic shapes and forms. I find inspiration in the world around me and draw what I like, keeping it simple and quick. My best time limit is from 8 to 10 minutes. It's perfect for the on-the-go sketch that captures the main details. I don't just draw, I use my drawings for planning. Some become weekly plans, others turn into lists or trackers. In my opinion, this amazing summer cat looks like the perfect list for my vacation. I add couple layers of colored painting that allows me to show shadows and shapes better. And here is the last part, is to add bright pen details. And here they are, last pen details, a simple drawing created step by step. I hope you find these ideas inspiring and that you'll keep practicing your own drawing. And remember, drawing is a journey and every sketch brings you closer to mastering the art. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.